Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and today we're going to be talking about bentonite clay and the benefits it has to your hair. The reason why I decided to do this was because my apple cider vinegar video did so well, and I know there are some of you out there that look for alternatives to normal store-bought shampoos. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more content. Okay, so you won't need a lot of things for this wash, which I absolutely love because ain't nobody got time or money for that. So you'll need apple cider vinegar. If you want to know about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, I do have an apple cider vinegar wash video, and I will be doing a separate benefits of apple cider vinegar video coming up. But yeah, so that's all you need. And then bentonite clay powder. I got this from Discam. I will put the prices up on screen now for you. So yeah, that's basically all the two things that you'll need for this wash. The reason why I like doing this is because, first of all, I'm a YouTuber and it's my job. And also because, like I said, it's a great alternative to shampoo. I will also be using their eucalyptus essential oil. There are so many benefits to essential oils, and I'll be doing a separate video on essential oils, the benefits of essential oils, and which essential oils you should use for your hair and your face. But one of the reasons I used essential oil, the eucalyptus one, so weird, but I like the smell of eucalyptus essential oil. Well, I like it more than the apple cider vinegar. So this was basically just for well, it has benefits, but also just for the scent. I know there are some people who cannot stand the smell of apple cider vinegar. Luckily, it does disappear once you wash it, but just in case you need something extra to kind of mask that smell, you can use essential oils, and I'll be doing a video on which essential oils work for what. I hope you guys cannot hear that alarm in the background because I have been trying to record. Can you hear that? I hope not. But anyway. So the mixture that you want to make is supposed to be like a yogurty consistency. In this video, I accidentally made my mixture a bit too thick. So, oh, and another thing is you can use water to mix this shampoo. Well, it's not a shampoo. The bentonite clay solution. I used water and apple cider vinegar because I kind of started running out of apple cider vinegar in the middle of my mix, and I want to use it for something else. So yeah, you can use water if you do not have apple cider vinegar. I would recommend you use apple cider vinegar because it helps balance out the pH for this mix, but I will be speaking more about that in another video. This is just going to be a video that shows you how to do the mix and put it on your hair. So yeah, you just mix it up, and then I put, you guys are kidding me, right? Can you hear all that noise? Wow, what is happening? Anyway, whatever, the show must go on. So yeah, I just put there 5 to 6 drops of eucalyptus oil. Remember that when you use essential oils, they should be diluted, so make sure that you're not putting too much, because I know sometimes you can also tend to get carried away. Luckily for me, during this wash, my hair was a bit detangled, obviously because I had the 2 cornrows and I had just woken up, so I didn't have too much detangling to do. I find that it is really hard for you to detangle your hair if you make the mix too thick. So try and make the mix as watery as possible without obviously making it too runny. Otherwise, it's just going to be everywhere and it's going to be a mess. The best way to get this or to apply this onto your hair is apply it onto wet or damp hair. I like to make sure that the water that I use to wet my hair is warm, just so I can open up my pores and make sure that everything is getting in there. You should apply this like you apply relaxer. So concentrate more on your scalp and the roots of your hair, because that's where you need the clarification and wash more. You don't really need to wash your ends like crazy. Your ends do not need all of that, okay? So just imagine this is creamy crack. Apply it to your roots, apply it to your scalp, and trust me, it will come out looking absolutely amazing. The reason why people like bentonite clay is because it also helps with what you call this, curl definition. Yes, I could not get proper curl definition because my mix, like I said to you guys, was a bit too thick. So if you want curl definition, I would suggest you make your mix a bit runnier than I did. And then you just want to put on a shower cap, or you know, if you know me on my channel, we like plastic bags. Thank you, clicks. So you put on a plastic bag on top of your head, and then put on your, what do you call this? What am I going to call it? It needs a name. Your wash day bonnet. Yeah, let's call it a wash day bonnet. Yes, queen slay. So yeah, you just put on that bonnet until the clay has kind of hardened. Mine was a bit hard when I put it on initially, so I did not have to wait that long. And there you can see there is curl definition in my hair, but like I said, if you want better curl definition or more curl definition, I would suggest that you make your mixture a bit runnier. And yeah, look at that, my hair is so clarified. I love it. I told you guys I have dandruff problems, and this does help with my dandruff issues, also because it has an apple cider vinegar, and I've told you guys apple cider vinegar has benefits of it being able to treat your dandruff issues. And then the apple cider vinegar also helps with like shine and sheen. I have a blog post on that, but I will be speaking about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, and in a separate video I'll be speaking about the benefits of bentonite clay. I also used this for my face during this shooting, but I will be posting up a separate video, completely separate video, on how to use the mix for your face. So afterwards I just went in with a cotton t-shirt. I hope my brother doesn't watch this video because that's his. And then I also wanted to try out the curl enhancing smoothie by Sheer Moisture, because I've had this for a while and I've used it before and I absolutely love it, so I wanted to use it in this video. Unfortunately though, for this video I put on like a bit too much, so you'll see that in the end and I'll explain a little bit. And then as per usual, coconut oil, because I'm in love with coconut oil. By the way, in between using the wash and putting in the coconut oil and all that stuff, you can deep condition. If you guys would like a deep conditioning video, then just let me know, but I just wanted to concentrate on the bentonite clay for this video. So yeah, I just comb out my hair. You can't really detangle your hair while you have the bentonite clay in your hair, because it is a bit tough and you don't want to break your hair. It feels tough, but once you once you rinse it out, your hair does feel smooth, so don't worry about the tough feeling. I was afraid the very first time I used this, I was afraid my hair was gonna freaking like fall out in blocks. Like it was gonna turn into statues and fall out in blocks. Do not worry about that. So as you can see, I am putting way too much product on my hair. Don't be me, do as I say and not as I do. If you are planning on going out the same day that you use the curl enhancing cream, I would suggest you don't try to do what I do and put on too much. That was a bit too much, and it doesn't help that I wanted to go out that very same day. So yeah, if you're gonna put as much as I did in this video, then I would suggest you sleep overnight. If you guys want a separate video on the curl enhancing cream, then just let me know. Like I said, this is just a video on the wash. If you also want like what do you call this, my brain. If you also want a video on how to define your curls using the bentonite clay, then let me know. So yeah, I just like to, every time I braid my hair, I like to twist it out and circle it and tuck it into each other, because I find that it creates more curls. Obviously my curls didn't come out properly because I had put way too much product and I didn't allow my hair to dry for long enough. If you put the recommended amount, which you should, your hair should have enough time to dry, but mine didn't have enough time to dry, so I would suggest you don't do that.
Say your love is kind of spiritual. Me and you are at the real, fucking me and you are hella dope. Come back and we ride to infinity. If I die.
There you have it. That is the curl pattern that comes out. I mainly use this bentonite clay wash though for clarification and cleaning my hair rather than curling up my hair, but I do want to do a separate video on the Sheer Moisture curl enhancing cream because it really does work. It works wonders, especially if you leave it to dry and you follow instructions, Laurina. Jeez. But yeah, that is it for this video. I will be showing you the end results at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like. If you if you like this video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, then I would suggest you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Baby, in your world, you don't need